Hello, my name is Antonio Felix, and I am the director of the Catholic Archdiocesan School Teachers Program at Loyola Marymount University. We are excited that you are interested in learning more about CAST. The LMU CAST program is an innovative 1+1 cohort program designed specifically for current full-time Catholic school teachers. The CAST program leads to a Master of Arts in Urban Education and/or a preliminary teaching credential. The CAST program is guided by the following goals: the promotion of social justice, cultural responsiveness, developing moral, intellectual, responsible, and caring leaders, and the collaboration and shared leadership across communities. As a student in the LMU CAST program, you will enjoy a strong emphasis on the integration of clinical practice and coursework, faculty who are committed to blending theory and practice, and benefit from an exceptional Saturday class structure that was designed to support and accommodate the robust schedule of a full-time Catholic school teacher. As a member of our CAST program, you will be able to complete your fieldwork at your own school with your own students, and you will not have to leave your current teaching position to complete a traditional student teaching assignment. All CAST students receive a generous tuition scholarship thanks to the generosity of our donors who are committed to your success as a Catholic school teacher. And we are excited to discuss how CAST will help you advance your career. Thank you, and may God bless you.